Friends, we're on lesson 10, day 4 of our 95% phonics. Excuse me. We're going to start with our phonological awareness warm-up. Today we are going to practice phoneme substitution. Let's review the instructions. I'll say a word and you repeat it. Next, I'll tell you a sound to substitute or change in the word. Then tell me the word. Ready? Say slant. Change s to p, word, plant. Say dry, change d to k, word, cry. Say brown, change b to k, word, crown. Say glue, change g to b, word, blue. Say prize, change p to k, word, cries. Say flea, change f to g, word, glee. Say glass, change g to k, word, class. Say blow, change b to g, word, glow. Say train, change t to b, word, brain. Say slow, change s to f, word, flow. Say slap, change s to f, word, flap. Say flame, change f to k, word, claim. Say trash, change t to b, word, brash. Say brook, change b to k, word, crook. Say plant, change p to s, word, slant. Say prime, change p to k, word, crime. Now it's your turn. Turn to page 85 in your student workbook. When I say begin, tap under the first word and whisper read it. Read across the row until I say stop. Circle the last word. They don't have our little timer thing on there, so let me go to our stopwatch on my phone. All right, so whenever I say begin, tap under the first word and whisper read it. Read across the rows until I say stop. Circle the last row and read. If you finish before I say stop, go up to the top and read the words again. It is time to begin. All right, stop. Go ahead and circle the last word that you read. If you read it more than one time, put 1, 2 times. So you read it twice, or you read it once and then you circled here, Reread it twice and circled here. Leave me a note so that I know how many times you read it. All right, next. Turn to page 85 in your student workbook. Oh, that's where the timer is. That was interesting. Now we're going to do the sound spelling mapping. For the vowel teams AI, AY, OI, OY, AU, or AW. Before we begin, let's review. For some vowel teams, where we hear the vowel sound in the word helps us know what spelling to use. Vowel teams AI and OI occur in the beginning or middle of the syllable or word. Vowel teams AY and OY occur at the end of a syllable or word. We've done sound spelling mapping before. Let's do one together. The word is point. Word, point. Finger stretch how many boxes we'll use. Finger stretch the sounds in point. O, n, t. How many sounds? 4. How many boxes? 4. Let's put a dot in each of the boxes. Now we're going to spell the sounds. Which letter spells the P sound? P. In which box? The first box. Is the OI sound at the beginning, middle, or end of the word? Middle. Since the OI sound is in the middle, which letter spelled the word? Would it be OI or would it be OY? OI, because it's in the middle of the word. Which box? The second box. Remember, the O and the I go in the same box because they are pronounced as one sound, OI. Which letter spells the N sound? N. In which box? The third box. Which letter spells the T sound? T. Which box? The fourth box. Sounds P, OI, N, T. Point. Now it's your turn. Turn to page 85 in your student workbook, and here are the steps. Finger stretch and place a dot in the bottom right-hand corner of the boxes you'll need. Write the letters. Remember that each sound gets its own box. Whisper the sounds and read the word to yourself. Sprain. 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 Next word, stray. Stray. Next word, coin. 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 Next word, haunt. 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 Next word, plot. 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 Next word. Lawn. 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 Next word. Ploy. 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 Let's review the meaning of the suffixes full and less. What does the suffix full mean? It means full or full of. What does the suffix less mean? Without. Turn to page 85 in your student workbook. Complete each sentence by adding the suffix full, F-U-L, or less, L-E-S-S, to the underlined words. So complete those sentences. Go ahead and pause. Pause, complete the sentences, and then come back. So you knew when doing this that the answer was either going to be less or full. So my dad was helpless by cleaning the dishes after we ate. My dad was helpful by cleaning the dishes after we ate. The plant soil was dry, which left the stems lifeless. The cube was shapeless once it melted. So you kind of have to use the sentence as a clue to if it's going to be full or less. Number 4, the playful kitten jumped on my lap. Number 5, we watched the skillful man paint a pretty sunrise. I'm back at point from when we did that in this mapping earlier. Number 6, our team was hopeful we could win the game. Number 7, the pen was useless as we tossed it in the trash. And number 8, the child was wishful for a new bike. Oh, look, our internet is spinning again. Well, now it's time to let's start that over again. Let me move me. Let's get out of that. We'll go back to, I know you just saw a whole bunch of me's, didn't you? To lesson 10. And we'll go down to that, which is our presentation. And we'll do lesson 10 again. We want to resume where we were. And now we'll hit next. Now it's time to read a passage in this, and we will learn a few facts about pond life in the passage. First, we'll read some of the underlined words together. When you see a word with the AI, AY, OI, OY, or OW vowel team, make the vowel team gesture and read the word. What is the underlined word in the title? Days. Read with me just the underlined words above the black line. We just read days, day, joy, pause, may, soil, may, coil, traits. Now it's your turn. Turn to page 79 in your student workbook. Let's review the steps. First, whisper read all the underlined words in the rest of the passage. Then go back to the beginning and whisper read the passage. So I'm going to go ahead and show you to make sure that we, well, no, it doesn't have that part there. I thought I was going to show you, but evidently not. So that is all for day 4. And tomorrow we will do day 5. See you later.